Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book a hotel room in Agoda. So this is helpful if you want a quick and easy way to find a place to stay for your trip without any confusion. So first, open up your browser and go to Agoda website. So once you're on the homepage, look at the search bar. So in here, you can enter your destination or the name of the property that you want. After that, use the calendar to pick your check-in and check-out dates and make sure the dates are correct so that you can see accurate prices and availability. Next, adjust the number of rooms and guests based on your needs. So once everything looks good, click the search button to view available hotels. Now, you'll see a list of hotel options. So take your time to go through them and then choose the one that fits your preference. You can check the price, browse photos, and read reviews to help you decide. And when you're ready, scroll down and click the Book Now button. After that, continue the final steps, select your payment method, and enter your card details. If it is available, you can also choose options to book now and pay later. Once everything is filled out, click Book Now to confirm your reservation, and you will then receive the booking details in your email. And that is it. That is how you book a hotel room in Agoda. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.